The Mercedes-Benz W245 B-Class from 2005 to 2011 features a dual-zone climate control system built into the center console. This allows separate temperature control for the driver and passenger sides. Temperature settings are made using the left and right dials on the control panel, which are clearly marked in either Celsius or Fahrenheit for easy reading. Inside, these dials operate potentiometers that send electrical signals to the heater control module. This module then controls the flow of coolant through the heating system to achieve the desired temperature. To adjust the airflow temperature in the W245 B-Class, rotate the left and right temperature dials marked in Celsius or Fahrenheit to your preferred settings. The system uses potentiometers to send signals to the heater control module, which regulates coolant flow through the heater core. This dual-zone setup allows independent control for driver and passenger sides, providing personalized comfort. Note that large temperature differences between sides may take time to equalize within the cabin. For safety, avoid making adjustments while driving to prevent distractions. The SAM module communicates with the engine ECU to ensure optimal performance without overloading the engine. Airflow distribution in the W245 is controlled by buttons for different vent modes, including defrost, floor, and dashboard. These settings determine where the air flows in the cabin and significantly impact how you perceive the temperature. The defrost mode directs air toward the windshield to clear fog or ice, while floor mode sends air to the lower cabin area, and dashboard mode blows air through the center and side vents. Each mode affects temperature perception differently. Directing airflow toward your face through the dashboard vents creates a cooling sensation, as the air blows directly on your skin. In contrast, directing air toward your feet through the floor vents feels warmer, because warm air rises and creates convection around your body. To optimize comfort, experiment with different vent combinations alongside your temperature settings. For example, combine dashboard vents with a moderate temperature for focused cooling, or use floor vents for gentle warming without changing the overall cabin temperature. For cooling, the AC system utilizes a closed-loop refrigerant cycle using R34A or R234YF refrigerants. The compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve work together to cool air via the evaporator coil. Ensure the AC button is engaged, usually indicated by a light, for cooling to function. Uneven temperatures in your Mercedes-Benz W245 B-Class often point to a specific issue with the climate control system. If you notice that one side of the cabin receives hot air while the other side gets cold air, this is a clear sign of uneven temperature distribution. This uneven heating or cooling is a common problem in the W245 model. The most likely cause is a faulty blend door actuator, which controls how air flows through the heating and cooling systems. The blend door actuator adjusts the position of the blend door, which determines the proportion of air passing through the heater core for warm air or the AC evaporator for cool air. Replacing the blend door actuator with an aftermarket part typically costs between $150 and $500, depending on the supplier and labor. To diagnose the issue, use an OBD2 scanner to read error codes from the SAM module, which is the signal acquisition module that controls the climate system. Tools like the Eucanic Diagnostic Scanner can perform a quick scan and display faults in various modules, including the climate control system. The SAM module integrates signals from sensors and controls outputs to actuators, making it crucial for troubleshooting temperature issues. Regular use of diagnostic tools can help identify issues early and prevent more extensive damage to the climate control system. Proactive maintenance is key to keeping your W245's climate control system running optimally. Annual checks can prevent most climate control failures. Refrigerant leaks are a common issue. Have the system inspected and recharged as needed. Consider retrofitting to R1234YF refrigerant for improved efficiency and environmental compliance. Many W245 owners perform DIY repairs. User forums like benzworld.org and mbclub.co.uk offer valuable advice and troubleshooting tips. YouTube tutorials, such as those by Mercedes Repair Guy, can guide you through common repairs like blend door actuator replacement. Factory manuals from Haynes or Chilton provide detailed instructions. While OEM updates are unlikely for the W245, aftermarket electric heaters known as PTC heaters are gaining popularity for diesel models to reduce emissions. App-based diagnostics, such as the Torque app, are emerging trends that provide real-time error codes and AI-assisted troubleshooting. As parts availability declines, remanufactured components will become increasingly important for maintaining the W245's climate control system.